Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a saw blade to a saw frame. You're going to remove your saw blade from your packaging, and as you move your fingers up and down the saw blade, you can feel the teeth. They should be smooth one side and sharp on the other. Make sure that your teeth are facing down. Line up your blade with the saw frame. Adjust the nut closest to the handle and insert your saw blade, and then you can tighten the nut. You're going to add pressure to the saw frame. Open up the top nut, insert the blade and tighten while adding pressure, and then you should hear a strum sound. After that, you can take your beeswax and lube it up.